Hello and welcome to Rhodium Valley High School's English Department TV. This is our fourth lesson on sentences, and we'll be looking at both embedded clauses and minor sentences. So, we are learning how to embed clauses within a sentence and to understand what is a minor sentence. Let's start by looking at the term embedded clause. Well, you know that a clause is a group of words that make up part of a sentence. And embedded means to insert or to be enclosed. We have looked at how a subordinate clause can go at either the beginning or at the end of a complex sentence. Well, to embed a clause is where you put the subordinate clause into the main clause. If you see the example, the first subordinate clause is placed at the end of the complex sentence. The second, the subordinate clause, is placed at the beginning. And the third, it has an embedded clause. The subordinate clause is embedded within the main clause. Please note how the commas surround the subordinate clause once it is embedded. Here are some more examples. Again, please take note how they are punctuated with commas either side of the subordinate clause. Some who and which subordinating conjunctions work only when embedded. So if you think about it, Joe sang in assembly was really popular. This is not good usage. The information was really popular has to be next to who it is about. So take a look at the other examples. And again, just to point out how the sentences are punctuated. Moving on to the second part of the lesson now, minor sentences. The word minor means lesser. So, I suppose a minor sentence is an incomplete sentence. It is lesser than a sentence. However, it is a single word or short phrase that can still be understood. So a minor sentence could be an answer to a question, imperative verb with an implied subject, an emotional or functional noise, onomatopoeic words, common expressions, questions, and greetings. I'll go through each of these minor sentence types now. So, to answer a question is quite straightforward. For example, what time is it? 3. 3 being the minor sentence. Have a look at the other example. Imperative verbs with an implied subject. This sounds more complicated than it is. An imperative verb is simply a verb which gives an instruction. Tells somebody what to do. An implied subject is a subject that is not there, but it's obvious what it is. So, for example, shoot. Now, it could be, John, shoot. So the subject would be John. But it's not really needed. There's the person with the ball is obviously the person you're telling to shoot. Help. Help me might be a sentence. The person speaking being the subject. Again, me is not needed because you can assume that the person who's shouting is the person in need of help. Have a think about run for yourself. Okay, emotional or functional words such as yuck, ha, there's loads. Onomatopoeic words, similar to the last one, words that sound like what they are describing. So, for example, bam, crash. Common expressions and questions and greetings. For example, hello, Mary, coffee. Okay, now it's your turn. Change the sentences so the subordinate clause is embedded for questions 1 to 3, and add an embedded clause to the simple sentences for questions 4 to 6. Don't forget to punctuate the embedded clause properly. When the screen gets larger, press pause. Well done. Now for activity 2. Write at least 10 sentences, which include 2 or 3 minor sentences. Set your paragraph in the picture. Maybe try to use some sentences with embedded clauses as well. When the screen becomes bigger, press pause. Well done. You've completed lesson 4. If there is anything that you still don't understand from this or any of the videos, please make sure you watch the video again and write down any questions you have and come and see me so I can help you further. At this point, I wouldn't move on unless you're 100% confident on all the sentence types we've studied so far, particularly simple sentences. Thank you.